So we start out today's video with someone who made a bold choice to chop off all their long curly hair. And honestly, I think she looks absolutely amazing rocking shorter strands. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. So once again, we see someone with long hair. The hair is placed into ponytails and the stylist does cut the hair off. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. Very nicely done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So once again, we see a long to bob haircut. Beautiful angled shape. Very nice. Wow, so we have someone with long, super long hair here, almost waist length. Wow, beautiful angled asymmetrical pixie style. She looks absolutely amazing. Loving this transformation. And then we see someone with mid-back length hair. Looks like she wants the Rachel. This, of course, is inspired by that classic Friends style from back in the day. Everybody wanted this haircut. I think it's so interesting how TikTok has managed to make everything old and new again. And a lot of women are now requesting the Rachel, believe it or not, once again. Ooh, beautiful results. Love the color she added as well. Kind of like a rose gold or strawberry. Very nice. And then we have someone with long hair. Wow, color change and layers. Very nice. And then we have a copper pixie style. Loving the color. This is beautiful. Baby bangs in the front to frame out the face of this pixie. Kind of like a pixie faded cut. And then we have another pixie for the next one. Very nice. I love her makeup as well. And then we have someone once again with mid-back length hair. Looks like the stylist might be doing a mullet for this one. Very nice. And as you guys know, the mullet has managed to make a huge comeback this season. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.